Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add table into a Google form. So if you want to create a Google form and you want to add a table, unfortunately there is no feature where you can add the table directly on the Google form, but I found this trick that I think might be helpful for you. So first you need to create the table on other site. For example, you can create it in the Google Sheets, or you can also create it in the Google Docs, or maybe Microsoft Word or Excel. And after that you can just use a screen capture or a print screen feature on your computer. So let's say I want to copy this table. I'm going to use the snipping tool on my computer. This will allow me to capture the table. So just select the area that you want to uh, copy, or the table that you want to add. Okay, for example, until here. And after that, this is the table that I capture. So just save it on your computer. Okay, I'm going to save it in here. Click on save, and you can just close the print screen or the snipping tool that you use. And after that, on the Google form in here, you can just add an image. So click on this image button, or this one. You can just use it. So I'm going to click on this, and then just find the image, the capture image that you captured before. Okay, this is the image of the table that I captured. Click on open, and after that, the picture of the table will be inserted in the question like this. Okay, so I hope this trick will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.